Hello friends, welcome to Nand classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please read the statement very carefully. One of our viewer has sent this question. P is given to us a to the power 1, b to the power 2 going in the same way up to y and z till exponent 26. Q is given in a reverse way, z power 1, y power 2 continue in the same way, b power 25 and a to the power 26. Then a, b, c, d up to x, y and z, this multiplication is given. 54th root of 64, this is given to us. And p times q we need to find. Multiplication of p and q we need to find, and we have four options: 6, 8, 9 and 64. If you are getting its answer, then please let me know what is your answer, and please watch the video. Let us compare if your answer is correct or not. First of all, since I need to find p times q, without thinking anything, let me start multiplying it. P multiply q. That means I need to multiply these both. Let me write it. P means a power 1, b power 2, c power 3 up to last term only I am writing up to z power 26, right? And value of q reverse way, starting from z power 1, y power 2, x power 3 going up to a to the power 26. This is what we have. Now if you check it very carefully, these all terms are in multiplication. First point we should remember, a to the power 1 and a to the power 26. Base is same. When they are multiplied, their exponents will be added and you will get a power 27. Same way everywhere. If it is b power 2, in the other side you are having b power 25. 25 plus 2 if you do, it becomes b power 27. Same with c power 27. Keep on doing x power 27, y power 27 and z power 27. After multiplication, this is what we are going to get. Now again use exponent rule. Power 27 is lying on every value, right? So what we can do, we can write exponent together like a, b, c, d, keeping the same way x, y and z power 27 together. You can take screenshot of this page. Have a look. Now I'm having a to z together multiplication in the bracket. This is given. It is 54th root of 64. So what I'll do, it becomes 54th root of 64, then its power is 27. Exponent is 27. This is what we have got. I hope you are clear up to this step. Let us make the space then. I'll show you how to do further. Looking at question, one should not be afraid. In fact, we should start doing the steps. Let us start now. One more concept, let me tell you. If it is nth root of x, you can write it as x to the power 1 over n. This is very important to remember this result. I'm going to apply the same rule. How will I apply the same rule? I'll write 64 to the power 1 over 54. 54th root of 64 can be written as 64 to the power 1 over 54. Now further I am having 27. That is quite okay. It is as it is. I hope things are becoming clear. Now using exponent rule, just multiply both exponents, and this 27 times 2 is 54, and what are we getting finally? We are getting 64 to the power 1 over 2. Now 64 to the power 1 over 2, it is 8 square, then power 1 over 2. 8 square is 64. Now this 2 and 2 is cancelled and we will get only 8. That means answer of this question is B option. 8 is the final answer. I hope you are clear with the question. This 64 to the power 1 over 2 means square root of 64. You can also do in that way, and square root of 64 is 8. Right? This question was very interesting. Thanks to that person who had sent me this question, because I found this question very interesting and very helpful for others as well. Thank you so much all of you for watching today's video.